Hey y'all, welcome to the video today. I am attempting to put the OEM front lip back on the car. I'm guessing it was damaged and removed during transport, so when I bought it, it came with the lip just kind of loose from the car, so I just put it in the back and took it home. I'm just now getting to the point where I can take the old hardware and stuff off and get some new zip ties and everything in there and put it back on. It doesn't look the best, but it looks better than not having it at all, in my opinion. It's a 25-year-old car. It's going to have some wear and tear, so especially on this front lip with stuff. I mean, I've scraped on stuff without having the lip on now, so we'll see how it goes from here. But basically, I'm just drilling some new holes. And just want to get some zip ties in here just to hold everything together. Yeah, so I'll walk you through the process when I get to the front of the car as well. And at the front of the car, so this hardware is kind of interesting. If you've never put it on before, I've never done it personally. So basically it clips into the front of the bumper. You slide it in facing the front with the nut on the top of the clip. Where that brown part is on the screen, that's where it kind of slips into. And then on the lip, there's a hole that the bolt goes through the hole and then threads into the nut on the clip. So that's what attaches the front lip to the actual bumper itself. There's a couple companies out there still selling hardware. There's still available OEM from Honda, so you can get a full set for about $100. I'm missing 2 or 3 clips and bolts, so I'm gonna have to pick that stuff up in the future. This lip is really just kind of a holdover for me until I get a spoon lip. That's what I really want on the front of the car. At that time, I'm probably going to remove the front bumper, get any kind of repairs or anything done, probably get it repainted, cleaned up really good. I just want to make sure that looks good when the new lip goes on. When it comes to this, it's just two screws in the side on each side. I'm just using a socket and a small bit to get these screws in, so I don't have to get in, turn the car on, turn the wheel, anything like that. Just don't have a lot of room in the garage. And that's pretty much it. That's the finished product. Like I said, I think it looks way better with the lip on there, even if it is kind of messed up. But yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know. If you want to see anything else in the future, again, just leave me a comment and I'll do what I can.